How to change video speed on Android tutorial. I've recorded a sample video to show you guys how it's done. The default apps that come with your Android phone do not have ability to speed up your video or slow them down. What you'll need to do is go on the Play Store and install a third-party video editing app. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can do it with YouCut Video Editor. This app is available for free on Play Store. So please install it, and once it's installed, open it. Now once the app is opened, you'll need to add the video into the editor. So I'm going to select the video I want to edit, and this is the video that I recorded which I want to speed up. And once the video is loaded into the editor, I will look for an option called speed. And there it is. So I'm going to select it, and now I have the option to speed up the video. Or I can actually slow it down as well. And as you guys can see, now it's going really slow, and now it's going faster. So when you do that you speed up the video, it's gonna move really fast. And as you guys can see, now the total time of the video is only 18 seconds. So let's play it again. And as you see, the zoom went in really fast because the video is on 2x speed now. If I was to slow the video down to the normal and check it out, it's now 36 seconds. And if I was to slow it down to 0.5x, it's 1 minute and 13 seconds now. And see, the view of the city is going really slow in the video. Now once you're done with making your change, so in this case, let's say I want to make it 1.5 times fast, and it's a 24-second video now, and everything looks good. All I have to do is, you see this save button on the top right, just select it, and I have the option to save the video as 2160p. So my phone supports 4K videos, and the app supports 4K videos as well. And then I have the option to whether to save it in high quality, medium, or low. And then if I want to change the resolution, I can do that as well. So let's say I want to go with 1080p and medium, I can do that, and then all I have to do is just press on save. Now once the video is converted, it means that the file has been saved and you can access it on your local phone, or you do have the option to upload it on different media platforms as well, like WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, or email. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, let me know through comments. Goodbye.